Are you a lover of puff puff? Then trust me, this video right here is for you. Hi and welcome to Jay's Foodies Hub. To make that tasty puff puff, you need your flour, sugar, yeast, warm water, nutmeg or cinnamon, a pinch of salt and milk flavor. Mix until there are no lumps. Be careful not to overmix. Cover and set aside until it doubles in size. This is how it should look like after about 30 to 40 minutes. Heat up your oil and deep fry. You can scoop like this or like this, whichever one is convenient for you. Take out when it's golden brown and repeat the same process for the remaining batter. Now look at this. Trust me, it tastes as good as it looks. It's soft, peppery and so yummy. Would you be giving this a try? Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.